case you are wondering what's happening with this nail, there is a white spot, but it's actually not on the surface, because as I'm running this little stick, I can feel that there was no roughness in the surface. Sometimes these white spots happen on the very surface, and then the surface is really rough, and that means there is some surface damage. Usually it's due to extended polish wear, or sometimes acrylics gels, or sometimes rough removal, but sometimes these spots happen inside of the nail. So basically the nail is made of layers, approximately 80 layers or so, and sometimes there is a minor trauma that happens to this area where the nail is forming, and the layers for some reason just do not bond properly, and there was a little bit of air, and this is why the nail plate is not translucent anymore, but it's white in this area. So it's just going to grow out, and sometimes you can pay attention to when this grows out, you'll see that the nail might peel a little bit. So not a big deal, this just happens due to a minor trauma. It's not a lack of any vitamins or anything like that, it's just a little trauma.